I'm hearing the Canada goose honking, and look who I spotted there. A mallard duck mama with very tiny little babies. Oh, they must be very fresh because I've not seen these ones before in the park. Probably just a few days old. Are you gonna let me come closer? I zoomed in on them, so I am at least 10 meters away from them. There we go. She's really keeping her eye on me, which is very normal because you just had little cute babies. There's 3 of them. We had quite a few mallard ducklings for the past 6 weeks. The first lot has almost grown up. They have feathers. I showed them to you in previous videos. And these seem to be the youngest ones. And you're so cute. Oh, I'm so happy that I stumbled upon you. I came to see the grey-lag family that usually sits here with the 6 goslings, but they were not here. And I found you. Okay. Oh, can you see the tiny wing? Oh, goodness me. Well, I'm very, very happy to have seen you. Stay safe, and hopefully I'll see you next week. I'm still hanging out. I came to the other side. Now they're on Mama's right. I'm just being very careful because I don't want them to spook and have to jump in the water for safety when they want to rest. And in the distance, can you see there's a whole lot of coot babies? There's 3 there, and then their nest is just that branch that leans down, and there's more there. Oh my goodness, this is the baby corner. Oh. Oh, I'm so happy to see you all. They're very far because that's part of the nesting island, and I really zoomed in on them, and I have no idea how visible they will be when I get home and look at it on a big screen. But happy to see that family too. This one is one of the parents, keeps coming and gathering food and takes it to them. Most of them are really good parents. I'm so impressed always by the birds and other creatures, the non-human kind, of how well they look after their little ones. Oh, you guys stay safe too. And back to you. Alright, I am going gently around you, and I'll let you be. Enjoy your little siesta.